It's summer, gotta stay hydrated. Summer is poking through and we need to stay hydrated, okay? In topic of summer. So we are coming with a force. Blessing the reaper, we go it on. Hey besties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jen, welcome. And if you're all but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. Besties, talking about summer, I'm here to give you guys my summer makeup routine, my everyday summer makeup routine. Well, I don't wear makeup every single day because my skin is good. That's why I say always drink your water, okay? 2 to 3 liters, period. No excuses, okay? Make it a habit. I'm talking to you. Yes, you at the back, period. Drink your water, okay? Today I'm gonna take you guys along and this is a makeup I do when I'm in a rush. It doesn't take time at all. Maybe this will take like 10 minutes, you know, minus the rambling if you're doing it on your own. This product is super affordable. I just use affordable stuff because you know this channel is all about affordability, okay? We're not trying to break this bank. Hey besties, my friend did my hair. I'm feeling good, I'm looking good, I'm looking amazing, I'm feeling good, okay? Period. That's on what Mary had a little lamb.
Child. Anyway.
Anyways, besties, I do not want to waste your time. So without further ado, let's get this shit popping. Hey. Okay, I'm serious right now. Let's get into it. So besties, first thing first, for your makeup routine to be quick, you need to get your eyebrows done. I just did get my eyebrow threaded. So I know this one will be easy because it will be easy to fill. Now if I'm going to work, I use eyebrow gel. If you watch my video, I'll link it or put it somewhere on the screen. You guys will know that I use eyebrow gel, but today, because I'm not going anywhere except filming videos, I do not need my eyebrow to stay for too long because I'm not going anywhere. If I want my eyebrows to last, then I use the eyebrow gel, but today we're just gonna fill it and that's it. So to fill my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Maybelline eyebrow, let's do that YouTube hand. I don't want my face to show. Okay, it's focusing. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use to fill up my eyebrows. I will zoom in a little so you guys can see my eyebrows. Okay, I feel like that's too much. You guys are too close, okay? So I'm gonna look down because I have my mirror here, but I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow to go up. Today I went to get my eyebrow threaded. See besties, when your eyebrow is threaded, you don't really need to do much. I like that natural eyebrow look, so I'm just gonna even it out. So yeah, I went to do my eyebrows today. The lady that does my eyebrow, she was busy doing somebody's hair. Literally besties, this is all I do. Quick eyebrow fill. Let me zoom out. I do use primer, but because I'm not going anywhere, I'm not gonna put any primer. Usually when I'm going out, I always apply my primer so my makeup can last longer, and it depends on my vibe that I'm going for. I usually use different foundation, but because it's summer, I need this glowy skin type of thing, so I'm gonna use the Maybelline 4-in-1 Perfector in order for me to achieve that look. Like I was saying, I went to do my eyebrows. There's a woman that come and greet me. I never seen her before, and she was like, oh, were you getting done today? I was like, oh, I want to do my eyebrows, and yeah, I wanted to do my nails too, but I noticed that the lady that does my nails, she's not there. So I was like, yeah, I'm not going to do that. She's like, sit down in that chair. I was like, okay. So she said, oh, she was gonna be the one to do my eyebrows. I was like, no thank you. I told her, oh sorry, I want the other lady to do my eyebrow, because she's the one who's been doing my eyebrow for such a long time now, so I don't feel like she knows the shape I like. She just gets me, so I can tell that the lady wasn't happy because I said that. Like, I didn't say like, oh, in a rude way, like, no, I don't want you. Like, I just said, oh, I want her to do it, if you don't mind, please, thank you. And she was just like, to the lady that does my eyebrows, so it's like, she was like, oh, the lady, when she come to do my eyebrows, she's like, oh, she can really do eyebrows nice. I was like, yeah, I do not trust anybody with my eyebrows. You're the only one I trust with my eyebrow, and that's just the truth. I cannot lie, guys. This is so easy to blend. It's so beautiful, like, for real. It just look like skin. Yeah, that's the only thing, it feels like skin. So if you want to cover most of your blemishes or whatever, maybe use different foundation, because this one is just gonna give you that glowy look that I'm going for. See, you can even see the scar I have here, because I was going through it this past weeks. So yeah, but I don't mind it, to be honest with you. I do not mind it at all. I just want simple summer look, and this is what it gives me, and I love it. But yeah, she wasn't happy. I was just like, usually I would just, because I'd done it before, I allow another woman to do my eyebrow in there, and I did not like it. I wasn't happy, and she really fucked up my eyebrows. And since that day, I just say to myself, listen, no more Miss Shy, or like, because I'm shy, I'm just gonna be like, okay, yes. I'm not gonna be a yes woman anymore. If I don't want something, I will tell you no. I don't care if it's gonna hurt your feeling. Obviously I'm not gonna be rude about it, but I'll just tell you no, like, I don't want to, like, for real. Anyways, I just want to tell you guys that, see my eyebrow, that woman gets me. Like, I do not have to do much. She just gets the style I like and all that. So I don't want to be stressing by it. But yeah, so I'm not going to be doing that anymore. Like, seriously, I'm a changed woman, and I'm growing every single day. This past few months that I've been going through it, I just like, no more. By the way, besties, this Maybelline Perfector is like 4-in-1 glow. Like I said, it's a primer, concealer, highlighter, everything. So you don't really have to do your concealer and all that stuff. You don't do that. You don't have to do the highlighter and all that. So that's why I said this is a quick makeup tutorial that do not take you a lot of time. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to do is contour my face a little. It is gonna contour a little bit, so I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place contour kit. It's deep dark. Okay, these are the shades you have. I use the darkest shade to contour. Okay, so I'm just gonna use it. Okay, and I use the lightest on my nose. Best is, you don't have to do this step by up to you. For me, I just like to contour a little bit, give my face a definition, not even too much, for real, because with this it just like gives you that cute look. See, I didn't even put much because I don't really need it, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna use this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, the bronze ritualistic, I don't know, rustic, is it rustic? Yeah, rustic. I said ritualistic, chineke. But these are the shades. I'm gonna use that pink orange-ish. That's what I use as a blush, just a little bit though, because too much go a long way. Very pigmented. Can you guys see already? I don't do too much with it. Too much. Like, even for me, this is a bit too much, but we're just gonna roll with it. Roll with it. I just wanna add some color to my face. Usually this is too much for me, but you know what? I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. In fact, I am no longer Shy Jen. I am shameless Jeno. Check it, shake your nyash, shake your nyash. I'm not gonna contour. I'm not gonna. If you want to dim the highlight, you can just go with your powder. I use this Maybelline Fit Me powder. Yeah, but I'm not going to use it because I don't need it today. I really want my skin to glow and pop. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is apply my lip gloss. I'm going to use this lip balm from, is it lip halt or balm? I don't know, chat. I'm gonna use this for my lip. Okay, it's from Revolution. That's if I can get it to open. It's dark brownish and I like it. Before I wasn't like really in love with it, but now it's like I love it. And one thing about this, it will also plump your lips, make it nice and juicy. Okay, so we like that. I'm a fine wine. Hey, see, fine babe. I'm gonna go with this Juvia's Place lip gloss. Just a little bit. I want to go on a little bit of an adventure. Besties, I'm so sorry if you can hear that noise. My washing machine is on right now. I like that I give it a little bit of like pinky-ish color. I don't know, I like it. Very unusual. So now basically I'm gonna go ahead with this sleek mascara. I like this mascara because it just lifts. I wanted to do my lashes, but you know what, I'm gonna start applying castor oil to my lashes every single day to see if it will, because people have been talking about it and I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna try it. So I'll let you guys know how it goes, because if I can grow my lashes not to the point where I don't have to go to get my lashes done, hey, I'm going to do it. I'm truly gonna dedicate. I will start today. Dedicate my time to do it. You know, everything in the beginning will be difficult, but after it will become a habit. You know, like now I cannot go to bed without brushing my teeth. Like for real, it doesn't matter if I'm tired as fuck. If I don't brush my teeth, I'll just feel somehow. So I don't even try. Yeah, I'm just gonna now go with L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. You guys know I reviewed this. You guys can check it out. It's on my channel. Okay besties, that is my everyday makeup look. It doesn't take me long at all. If I wasn't talking to you guys, I would have been done in literally like less than 10 minutes. And yeah, it's super simple, super straightforward, and this, you can do this every single day. You do not need extra 30 minutes, because whenever I think about doing my makeup, I don't feel motivated. So this one definitely works for me and I love it. Tell me what you guys think. This is it.
Slow down, only you the ginger, the whole town. Slow it sometime, go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime, time to slow down. So many things we could.
It is super straight to the point. You do not need a lot of product on your face for you to feel beautiful. This feels light, feels amazing, feels beautiful. Like I feel like I am literally, ooh, I look beautiful. Oh my god, I am beautiful. Like this look like me, you know, and I love it. I love it here. If you don't want your lip to be sort of like pinkish, you can always go with your brown lip and just do that. My skin look healthy, glowy, and I love it. So yeah besties, that's all for this video. If you do like it, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what kind of video you guys would like to see next from me. Okay, and yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much. I truly love and appreciate you guys so much. I hope you're enjoying your summer. I hope this video was helpful to you, that you learned new thing, that you're gonna try this product that I showed on this video. But yeah, that's my simple summer makeup routine that do not take you 7 hours. Okay, yeah. But yeah, I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Bye besties.